This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, November 7th. I'm Michael Groff. Above normal temperatures today and tomorrow, a gradual cooling trend as we go through the rest of the week, but conditions should remain fairly dry around here, unfortunately, with no rain chances to speak of. We'll talk about it as we look out there this morning. The sun is up here in the valley. Temperature is very pleasant right now, 63 degrees right now at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 54, relative humidity 72%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona and here in the metro area this morning, mainly in the mid-50s to low 60s. No clouds to speak of on the satellite picture, maybe a few in eastern Arizona, and we will see a few high clouds from time to time today. The watch warning map is very quiet, just some dense fog advisories in southern lower Michigan, northern Indiana, northwest Ohio, and nothing to talk about on the convective outlook, at least no organized areas of severe weather for today. Talking about just some thunder over the southern high plains. And as far as our weather goes, we'll get into it in more detail as we take a look at the models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time today. An area of high pressure building in from the southwest. So we'll start to see some drying here. Those humidity levels that we've seen that are a little bit elevated here the last few days, those will be mixing out as we go through today and tomorrow. High temps today with a mostly sunny sky, mainly in the mid-80s. Tonight, clear, very pleasant, mid-50s to low 60s. And tomorrow, for Election Day, be very warm. A 588 ridge building in, centered somewhere to our north over Idaho and Utah. So, dry easterly wind starts to develop. Could get a little bit breezy in the afternoon. And high temps in the upper 80s. The GFS Ensemble has us at 86. The GFS at 88. So we will be very warm. Not quite at record territory, however. Wednesday, we start to notice a wave dropping into the southern Rockies from the north. And so a little bit of cool air intrusion will enter eastern Arizona. We should see some breezy easterly winds. Temperatures will lower just a little bit. Mid-80s for Wednesday. The sky remains mostly sunny. Mostly sunny again on Thursday. Temperatures maybe another degree or two worth of cooling. Lower 80s or so. On Friday, a little bit more cooling takes place. High temps right about 80 degrees, maybe the low 80s, and the sky remains mostly sunny. Could be a few clouds in southeast Arizona, maybe even a few showers down that way, but really around here it's just going to stay dry. And again, that's true for Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures each day remain right about 80, maybe the low 80s, 80 to 83 we'll say. This is a week from today, Monday, November the 14th. High pressure building in off the west coast. The old 588 ridge coming back. Temperatures would be in the low 80s if this is right. Tuesday, the ridge moves closer to us. And so with the 588 upper level heights on top of us, temperatures would be very warm. Look at that, 86 for next Tuesday. That is very toasty, well above normal. Normal high by this point is in the mid-70s, so we'll be at least 10 degrees above normal, if that verifies. This is the end of the forecast period, Wednesday, November 16th. That's still a dry look for us. The ridge breaking down just a little bit, flattening out just a tad. Temperatures would cool off a few degrees, but we would still be above normal with a low off the west coast. And rainfall through the next 10 days off the European model, not a drop here. Nothing to talk about. Maybe some rain down towards Santa Cruz, Graham, Greenlee, Cochise counties, but we should stay dry. Temperatures all the way through the period still going to be above normal today and tomorrow, especially so. A little bit closer to normal as we head toward the middle and latter portion of the week, but still our normal highs are in the mid to upper 70s by this point, so we will stay very warm. Indications of a possible cooling trend later in the month, but for now, the pattern just looks to stay dry with above normal temperatures. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video by tomorrow morning. Thank you so much for watching and have a great Monday.